Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's your girl Jazz, and I'm super excited about this review, like I'm with every review. Of course, today we are going to check out something that I think is really cool. I've seen it on TikTok, so I had to check it out myself. It is a cotton candy vending machine, and it's going to do a little design, so let's go check it out. That was absolutely delicious. What do you guys think? I wanted to go get more. I mean, it's not that expensive. $5, you can't go wrong, and you get a cute little design. So obviously you're not just paying for the cotton candy, because there'd be no way that, okay, yes, I would still pay $5 for cotton candy. But the fact that you get a nice little bouquet, there's different designs, different colors, you gotta go check it out for yourself. Hopefully I will be able to get my parents Lemur to enjoy one of those soon too, without him attacking me. Obviously, I'll make sure that he's far away, but I'm gonna make sure that he gets one. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned. And if you want to see anything else, let me know. I'll be happy to check it out. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay jazzy. Thanks for watching.